Guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Poco F6 and I'm going to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. First step, open calendar application. In it we can change view for a month to be easily to add and tap on day when we want to add our event, maybe 29th of June. There is this plus icon, event, and first you can add title of our event. Then we can set add this event to our group on Gmail. In this step you can set when event starts and finish in what time, or we can set it will be odd day. Repeat of that, maybe every month, what you prefer. And next step, you can add this event to people calendar. You can make video conference when event start, add location to that notification. You can change color, which we see in our calendar notification. I show you. You can add more than one also, what you prefer. Description to that attachment, and after you set all you need, you must add everything. Press save and you have it in your calendar. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.